Tuli Bamo, Juntos,
Mmogo.
one people,
One heart,
one Africa. The morning sun begins to rise. Its golden light fills hopeful eyes. A neighbor smiles and calls your name. No two welcomes are the same.
under the shade of ancient trees, we share our stories with the breeze. No one leaves with empty hands. Love is the language every heart understands.
Different roads may cross the land, yet every journey finds a hand.
Different voices, one heartbeat, together every soul we meet. This is the heart of Africa,
beating strong in you and me.
every kindness, every dream,
Writes tomorrow's history.
Tuli Bamo,
Juntos,
Mmogo.
yeah,
This is the heart of Africa,
where hope will never fade away.
around the fire the laughter grows, like rivers only kindness knows. An elder speaks, young voices hear. Tomorrow's wisdom starts right here.
Hands that lift another's love.
Make a light, right a road,
Every welcome, every friend.
shows where every journey ends.
Across the mountains,
Across the sea,
hope still dances with the breeze.
many languages,
One song,
different voices,
all belong.
this is the heart of Africa,
Oh, beating strong in you and me.
every kindness, every dream,
Writes tomorrow's history.
Tuli Bamo,
Juntos,
Mmogo.
Mmogo,
This is the heart of Africa,
where hope will never fade away. If your road is hard to climb, you won't walk it all alone. There will always be a helping hand.
there will always be a home.
When we lift each other higher, every dream can touch the sky. One tomorrow,
One people,
one